Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you some Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut replacements for those who may have a bit more niche and specific needs to editing videos and not necessarily wanting to pay that much money every month on Adobe Suite or even Final Cut. Well, even though Final Cut is just like a one-time purchase, but you still have to pay for LUTs. So the first one is Captions. And as you can see here, it's just like, I literally just opened my account. I haven't started anything because I wanted to try everything, well, not live, but for the first time when I filmed this video. So it's like more real and natural interaction. The second one is Filora. And that is, I never came across that, never even found feedback video or reviews about this app. And Clipchamp. A bunch of people know what Clipchamp is. I used to have Clipchamp accounts way in the past, almost 7 years ago, but I was mainly using it to condense and compress videos. So I know they improved a lot and added way more features now. So yeah, let's give it a shot and try it. So the first one we have is Captions, and as you can see, the UI is very clean. Upload a new video or create AI shorts or generate AI ads. So today I'm going to be focusing on the first two: upload a video or create AI shorts. The first one is create AI shorts. So let me go there. So they're asking me to at least have a video between 4 minutes and 2 hours. So let's apply another one. Upload, and I don't know why I keep saying apply. All right, that definitely took a minute to upload and edit or auto edit. Let's see the results. Hopefully it's as promising as it felt like. So let's open up the file and see that we have 3 suggestions auto generated by Captions. The first one, not bad actually. So the first one went by default to capture the intro of my video, which is not too bad actually, makes a lot of sense, right? And the second suggestion, so this one is more like 2 minutes or 1.5 minutes in the video already, when I started talking about the reason why I came back and the reason when I started checking up the channel and the subscribers and whatnot. And this one is more towards the second half of my video. I guess the cutting, and also because the video was already made and edited in a specific format, this auto generation, it makes a lot of sense to me and seems to have a lot of potential if you created your videos in a different format, mainly for captions. So if you rely on Captions auto generator to cut your videos and suggest some form of reels and shorts for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, I guess that will be a perfect tool to use, and very affordable, because I literally had like, I did nothing. I just uploaded my video and it did all the work for me. You can also, I guess, go deeper and start editing and add more like tools here. If you want to create generating captions for your video, you can definitely do that. You can change the color, or if you want to interact with a simple feature they have here, like trimming, I guess this one, yes, splitting the screen and whatnot, you can also do that. So I guess for something as simple and quick and affordable as the platform brands itself, I guess this auto generation works pretty well. Let's go back to the main home screen, and if you want to upload a video and edit it from scratch, I guess that will also be like a very good use case. Let me change the video this time. Just go to the second one and apply this. Also, you have some simple features here to split, cut, or maybe fit the screen, but the screen, the video aspect ratio is already fit, so this one is disabled. But I guess it's very simple, very basic, and it's mainly for cutting, splitting, auto generating content, and adding captions. I guess that's a wrap up of what captions.com is. The second one we have today is Clipchamp, and I gotta say, because I was actually biased, I tried the platform a little bit before filming the video because I had some experience with it way back in the past. So it did actually improve a lot. So as you can see here, once you sign up, and it's a very simple regular sign up using your email, you can land on the home screen where you find the pre-identified templates, like inspired by which platform you want to edit for, whether it's YouTube, Instagram, or whatever. You have the same two features that pretty standard for any editing tool. Create a new video from scratch or generate using AI. So we did that in Captions. So here I'm just gonna go straight to create a new video and see if they have more features or very simple and basic. First impression, it took much less, almost a split second to upload my video, and I'm gonna drag it into the timeline. And first look, it seems much more expansive than Captions when it comes to editing tools. It is not, definitely, it doesn't provide the same variety you can find in something like Premiere Pro, Final Cut, or even CapCut. But compared to Captions, it seems like you have much more to apply here. You can definitely apply some AI suggestions and mainly trim and tidy, just like making suggestion to where you can trim and reorganize your video. Some other effects you have here, and these are more visual effects to apply as an overlay on your video. You can also have some filters, which is very similar to how LUTs work in Adobe Premiere Pro. You can change the speed, whether you want to add a little bit of a delay, make it slower, or speed up your video. You can also apply some fading, and let's see how it looks. This one is always interesting to play with for 2 seconds. Okay, yeah, that's pretty standard. Let me just go back again. Yeah, that's more natural. I like how it actually, if you noticed in the beginning, it doesn't disappear. It doesn't just like peel off all of a sudden. It goes gradually until you have a little bit of a vignette in the corners. That was actually pretty neat. They do have the Captions tool, so let me try on the little dialogue I have in the end.
We think, say, or write your sentence. It's a green light for your brain to start acting.
Actually, it's a very, very, very accurate transcription tool in Clipchamp. Good job. It even rivals the one in Captions. I guess the difference is Captions is auto-generated right off on the screen, so you don't have to fiddle with the platform or the app to figure out that. I guess a deeper dive in Clipchamp will be worth looking at the brand kit. If you already have established business with clear brand guidelines, you can add all your assets here, logos, fonts, and colors, and I'm assuming in every video, every short, or every snippet you generate on the platform, you can apply this like style tile on it, which is going to be very helpful, I'm assuming. And templates, if you want to use like some of their templates to create quick intros and outros to your videos and social media channels, I guess that will be also a very helpful tool. Comes really in handy. The third one I wanted to briefly talk to you guys about today is Filora. So Filora seems to me, and I haven't used it yet, but seems first impression much more expansive, because it's an app that you gotta download on your machine, whether it's Mac or Windows. I'm using Mac, so I downloaded the Mac version, and it's very simple. You just go to the website, you free download, create a website using your email, and you're in. Creating a new project. Let me create a new project. So it loads this platform and it asks about your role. So let me just say I'm a freelancer. Next. Yes, so definitely much more expansive. It's almost trying to be like one of those professional go-to video editing tools. So if I import the same video over here, and it reminds me a lot of Final Cut. The timeline over here is definitely not similar to Premiere Pro or After Effects, more of a Final Cut style sort of thing. It seems like they do have much more tools, and auto-generated or template-based tools they know most of the video editors will rely on, like masking, for example, over here. Excuse me. Yeah, $79, I guess. If you want something, I'm assuming if you're gonna pay that much per month, I would rather and I'm not advertising for anyone, but if you're paying $80 per month for a platform to edit videos, I would rather pay that for Adobe Suite, which is going to cost you about the same, not just for Premiere Pro, but the whole suite. So you're taking advantage of Premiere Pro, After Effects, even Photoshop, Illustrator, etc., etc. So I guess in this comparison, Filmora definitely loses. So yeah, hope you liked today's video, guys. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned.